Brothers, today we will fix an Asus Tuf RTX3070. Why choose to use this card to record videos? It's because I took a fancy to its original warranty sticker. It means that this is an easy-to-repair card. It's persimmons. I also like to follow the soft man. Let's take a look at what's going on. Can you recover losses with your boss? Here. In accordance with international practice. Before powering up, let's first measure whether the important voltage and signal to the ground value are normal. 10 F bus to the ground value is more than 500 normal. 3.3 F bus to the ground value is more than 400 normal. Reset the secondary ground value is more than 400 normal. Positive H3 H4 clock signal opposition values more than 800 normal. The external 12 volts are normal for the low value of more than 400. Another set of external 12 volts. The opposition value is only more than 100. This is clearly not normal. Through preliminary measurements, we have identified the problem. Let's take it apart and see what the situation is. The vertical value of the external 12-volt reactor is relatively small. We should first check these D-inks for signs of burnout. Through observation, I found that the power chip was obviously burned out. You can see that this chip has been burned. The surrounding burns were already burning. This power chip corresponds to the output of this pole. Let's take a look at whether this pole is a post. Short circuit. The opposite value is 5. The output voltage of this inductor is PXVDD. Right. The land value is 5. It should be normal. Let's find a chip and replace it. See if you can solve this problem. I've already drawn the chip. Let's measure the opposition of Y to 12 volts. Has it returned to normal, more than 400 normal? Other than that, what happened along the way? How can the opposite value be 0? Is the chip I replaced bad? So I remove the chip I replace again. The lowest value of 12 volts. Restored to more than 400. It's normal. It means that the chip just replaced is really bad. Let's draw a second chip. I have drawn the minimum value of 12 volts. The minimum value of more than 400 normal output incoming inductance is 4 normal. Let's check if there is a short circuit in other voltages. The minimum value of 5 volts is normal, and the minimum value of 1.8 volts is normal. The minimum value of core power supply is 0. Normal. The minimum value of video memory power supply is 10. Normal. Let's turn on the power to see if the voltage is normal. The core of the necklace is powered by 0.75 volts. Normal. PXVDD 0.95 volts normal. The video memory power is 1.35 volts. Normal. It should be easily killed by me. Let's put it together and take a look. Can it be lit up? I've put it together. Boot second. The screen lights up successfully. Brothers, if you have an e-divorce card, send it to me. Hello. Me too. It is also normal to be able to enter the Windows system driver normally. Let's stress test it again. Then it is ready to ship. Alright. Today's video will be shared with you. If systematic learning is needed here, you can send me a message privately. Who are you willing to respect with your heart? Who has passed the spring breeze?